Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Learning is a treasure that follows its owner everywhere. What does it mean? लर्निंग इज़ अ ट्रेजर, एक जैसे खजाने जैसा है जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहता है. इट विल ऑलवेज फॉलो अस एवरीवेयर. इट मीन्स वेर एवर वी गो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज क्लास. Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, in the last lecture, we have seen chapter 10 about kitchen, or you can say what is cooking. So, we have done our question answers, true or false, explanation part. So, today we are going to start with new chapter, that is chapter 11, Our Vehicles. Now, what are our vehicles? There are so many vehicles. I can own two-wheeler, you may own three-wheeler, or someone other may own four-wheelers. So there are so many vehicles. But this is a short poem which is about the game. Here the kids are playing the game of our vehicles. So what are they playing? They are playing chup 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 गाड़ी, जो हम ट्रेन बनते हैं, एक दूसरे को होल्ड करते हैं, and how we roam and we see this is the station, we stay here. So this is all about the railway or the train or of the travel. So you must have traveled by train, by rail, by any types of vehicles. There are so many means of transportation and vehicles. So by so many vehicles we must have traveled. So it is the very basic thing that अगर हमें कहीं पास जाना है तो sometimes we go by walking. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दूर जाना है we take two-wheeler, right? अगर हमें थोड़ा सा और दूर जाना है, if we have to go by state or by city, so we travel by four-wheeler. अगर हमें state change करके जाना है, we have to go a little far away, so we prefer going by trains, right? So we are very choosy with our things. Simple सी बात है, अगर हमें पास जाना है तो we don't go by trains, right? And so this is the difference between the place, the distance, and where we are going, right? So in this chapter, kids are playing by chup chup chup. उन सब लोग ने एक दूसरे को पकड़े हैं and they are playing, they are enjoying themselves. And you must know, if of course everybody must have traveled by train. So हम जब ट्रेन में एक जगह से दूसरे जगह when we travel by train for vacation, for nanny's place in summer vacation, or for our native places, so we have seen a lot many things. जब हम ट्रेन से travel करते हैं, the view outside the train is very interesting and very amazing, right? This looks awesome. The scenery we see, the meadows we see. Meadows means what? The fields. The fields we see, the farmers we see, the different types of crops we see, different types of trees we come to know. Then there are so many mountains, there are small places or villages we can say, or huts the different types of huts also we come to see. There are so many bridges we see. Then there are so many things, so many other things we see while traveling through train. So this is only the poem about they are playing, they are stopping at every station to pick people. So they are playing, like so many kids are playing, and वो थोड़े distance में सब लोग wait कर रहे हैं, like we wait on platforms. So 3 people are starting, then we are going ahead, then there is one kid there, so they वहाँ पे station आया, किसी ने join किया, so this goes on till the stop comes. So they are enjoying themselves, and in this chapter we have discussed about the types of transportation, types of vehicles, and what we prefer going with it, and what all scenery or what all view we get to see. And it is said roads of iron. So where the railway tracks are there, or where the railway runs, or where the train runs, so railway tracks होते हैं, those are called roads of iron. वैसे तो वो roads होते हैं, but that are railway tracks. So it is in the poem, it is said the roads of iron, railway runs on the road of iron. So this was interesting. Let's see our notebook notes. Good morning, kids. Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in the last lecture we have seen. So we are continuing our notes, that is hard words of the chapter 11, Our Vehicles. So put heading 11, our vehicles. Let's start with the hard words. Those are children, chugging, whistles, shoulders, backward, meadows, farmers, temples, lush, smoky, writers, flocks, clustered, bridges, paths, dhobighats. Right? Let's see question and answers. So let's write question number 1, that is answer the following questions. Number 1 is, what is transportation? What is transportation? Transport or transportation is moving people or thing from one place to another place. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह हमें कुछ भेजना है या a person is moving, alright, so that is called transport or transportation. Next, what are 3 means of transport? So majorly there are 3 means of transport. Those are, they are land transport, air transport and water transport. Right? Number 3, which means of transport is common and cheaper? So which means is common and cheaper? Land transport is very common and very cheaper. What is the mode of transport of a toy train? So it is the land transport. Who drives a toy train? An engine driver. What is meant by rods of iron? So what does it mean? I will explain you while explaining the chapter. Rods of iron means the rail or on which the railway moves or the trainway moves. So rod of iron means the rail on which train moves. We also say it as railway tracks. Next, name special transports. So what are special transports? Those are not common transport. You and I cannot go in that. Special transport is for special equipment, for special facility. Like ambulance. So why ambulance is used or how it is used? It is used for people to take in emergency, to take to a hospital or the nearby hospital. Fire engines. Fire engines are to where if fire has been catched up, so they go and they pull the wire. Next is policeman or a police car. What is policeman, police van or police car? So where something wrong is been happening or they go for rounds to check. So that is a police van. Nobody can sit like that or nobody can hire those things. So those are special transport which are used by special people. Right, kids? So these were our question and answers. Now in the next we will see new question. Let's see that. That is fill in the blanks. So camels are used as means of transport mainly in, camel is also a means of transport. हम लोगों को वो यहाँ से वहाँ लेके जाता है. So that is the means of transport. But it is where mainly used as a transport in desert area. जो रेगिस्तान होते हैं, जो रेत के एरिया होते हैं, सपोज राजस्थान, रन ऑफ कच्छ, मड, ये सब चीजों में यहाँ पे डेजर्ट्स में मेनली कैमल्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड. एरोप्लेन्स टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम डैश. वो टेक ऑफ यानी वो कहाँ से उठते हैं? इट टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम एयरपोर्ट. इंडिया हैज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट डैश नेटवर्क इन द वर्ल्ड. सबसे बड़ा नेटवर्क इंडिया के पास कौन सा है in the world? So it is the railway network. There are so many railway networks in India. It is the largest in all of the world. Dash is the fastest means of transport. Of course, the air transport is the fastest. Next, Dash is a military car. Jeep is a military car. Now, Dash are water transport. So there must be given some options like three bundles. So that is boat, submarine and ship are the water transport. Right? So let's see. Number 7 is Dash is the snow transport. What is the snow transport? You must have seen जो sleds होती हैं, जो आपने you must have seen in the Jingle Bell or the Santa जिस पे आता है कार्ट जैसा होता है, जो नीचे ऐसे प्लेन होता है, जो बर्फ के ऊपर जाता है. It's like a slide. So sled is a snow transport. Next, Dash is used to carry sick people to the hospital. बीमार जो होते हैं, जिन्हें चोट होती है, जो sick होते हैं, to people to carry hospitalized, ambulance is used. As I said, ambulance is a special transport. It used people to take sick people to the hospital. Horse is a dash means of transport. Yes, horse is also the means of transport, but it is very older. So horse is an older means of transport. Next, dash is a means of transport which does not produce smoke. We have lots and lots many transport vehicles, but every transport vehicle or every vehicle produce smoke which is somewhere or the other not good for the environment, but it is the only one, that is the cycle. Cycle is moved with the air, so because of that it does not produce any type of smoke. The ambulance is a dash transport. So ambulance is a special transport. The airplanes dash through the clouds. Airplanes clouds के बीच से क्या करते हैं? They fly through the clouds. Airplanes are kept in place are called, जहाँ पे airplanes रखे जाते हैं. So what are those things? or the airplanes are stored or it's like a parking जैसे हम कहते हैं. So what it is called? It is called hangar. The place where aeroplanes are kept is called hangar. Right, kids? Now, with this fill in the blanks and question and answers, we have completed our chapter 11, Our Vehicle. Right? So, in the next lecture, we will start with the new chapter and that will be the last of Essay 1 portion. So, till that, complete all your notes, stay safe, take care and good